So good morning students. So in a previous video we have discussed about the one function and onto function and in that types of function we have discussed that is the one and onto function. So let me recall that what we mean by the one function. One function means what? For one element we should have a one image. It means that. So how to interpret that in a logical form? So for that we will take two elements. Let me consider x1 and x2 are the elements of the domain. Let me take that is a domain A, and we'll find out their images. If images are equal, then what we have to get for these two elements? If suppose the image of the elements of the domains are equal, then what happens? When their elements is equal, then we say that the function is 1. This is one method. And we have another method. If the elements are different, then what we have to get? Then we have to get their images are also different. Then also we can say that is the function is 1. These are the two methods we are using to identify whether the function is 1 or not. So next we come to that is the onto function. So how to identify the onto function? So one method is there. First we have to find out the range. Range means we know collection of all the images of the given function is called as the range. So if the range of the function, function is equal to codomain, then we say that the function is on. And we have another method to identify. So almost all we use that method only to identify the given function is onto or not. So what is that? So we say that for every element of the codomain we should have at least one pre-image in the domain. That is to identify that is a onto function we are using. For every y belongs to the codomain. Codomain means we take that is an element, that is the domain B. So y it indicates that is the elements of B. X indicates the elements of the domain. There exists an x which belongs to the domain A such that f of x equal to y. So what is it means? F of x equal to y means x is a pre-image of y. So that x is there in domain. So it is called as an onto function. Onto function means for every element of the codomain we should have at least one pre-image. Then the function is called as an onto function. Then the function is called. If any one element does not have its pre-image, then it is not called as an onto function. So it is clear about the one and onto. Now we come to that is the examples regarding these two types of functions. Show that the function f from r star to r star defined by f of x equal to 1 by x is 1 and onto. So r star means what? It is a non-zero. So 0 is not there. It is a set of all the real number without 0. Set of all the real number without 0, which we indicated by the r star. So r star it means that it is a set of real number or which does not contain the 0 or a non-zero real number. So the set which containing from where to where? Set of non-zero real numbers to the non-zero real number. For these set we have to discuss this function which is defined is 1 and onto. So let me verify that whether the function becomes 1 or not. So first, 1 function. So we'll take that is two method. So we'll take that is the numbers only. We know already the numbers which are the real number, non-zero real number. Like we take that is the real number. Let's 1, comma 2 belongs to R star or not. So 0 is not there. These are not the 0. 1. And they are different or not. 1, comma 2. Second method we are using different element. Then what we have to get? Then we have to get the different images. If we got the different images, then we easily say that the function is 1. Let me find out the image of the elements of this thing. What is the image of 1 and what is the image of 2? Like we have to find out. What is the image of 1? 1 is equal to where? How to find out the image of the function means where there is x, we have to put the 1. So how the defined function is that f of x equal to 1 by x. Then what happens? 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is 1. The image of 1 is 1. Next we find out the image of 2. Image of 2 is equal to 1 by x. Where there is x, we have to put the 2. So 1 by 2 is the image of the given function. So now here whether 1 is equal to 1 by 2? No, here we got that the images are also not equal. If f of 1 is not equal to f of 2. Therefore, if different element, different image, then obviously we can say the function is 1. Therefore, f is 1. F is 1. So next we come to that is the another. So f next we come to that is the onto function. Onto function. So when we say that the function is the onto, for finding the onto function, for discussing the onto function, the main thing that we have to convert x in terms of y. X in terms of y. So f of x is indicated as a y. Y is equal to 1 by x. So then x is equal to 1 by y. So this is the process we have to do when we are finding, when we are discussing about the function whether it is a onto or not. We should remember that the conversion x to y, y to x. So here we converted that is x in terms of y. That we have to convert to identify whether the given function is onto or not. So the first, how to state that for every y belongs to that is the R star codomain what it is there R star. So there exists x is equal to 1 by. So it is 1 by y, it is belongs to the R star only. It is belongs to the R star. Why? Because if you take any non-zero real number, so 1, if you take 1 by 1, x equal to 1, again it is present in. So this confirming is very important here. The existing of x that is in the domain is there or not, that is very important here. If this x is in domain, then we say that such that f of x is equal to y. Therefore f is onto function. F is onto function. So if it is not there, then it is not a onto function. Suppose x is there in domain, the existence of x is in domain, that is an image. So f of x equal to y, it means f of x equal to y. X is a pre-image of y, but that pre-image should be there in the domain. Then we say it is an onto function. If that pre-image is not there in the domain of the function, then it is not called as an onto function. That is the meaning. So, but here x is a pre-image, but that x is 1 by y is like this. So 1 by y y is non-zero real number, then this number is there in R star, means real number, non-zero real number. So it is called as an onto function. So it is called as an onto function. So f is both 1 1 and onto. If any function, so 1 1 and onto, it is called as a bisective function also. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೇವೆ bisective function ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಒಂದರ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವೈ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎದರ್ದ್ರಿ ಈ ವೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿರ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಡೊಮೇನ್ದಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ ಡೊಮೇನ್ದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ. ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅನ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಒನ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ತೊಗೊಳೋದು ಎರಡು, ಅವ್ರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿದು ಅವು ಎರಡು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅದಾವ ಸೇಮ್ ಅದಾವ ನೋಡುದು. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ ಆನ್, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಒನ್. So it is about the first example in 2.1. So that is 1 1 and on. So next here, so we will come to the second examples regarding the types of functions, injective and surjective. What we mean by the injective? So it is nothing but 1 1 function. Instead of saying the 1 1 function, they may say that is an injective. Injective ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 1. ಸರ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ ಟು 1. ಸೊ 1 1 ಆನ್ ಟು ಎರಡು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂದ್ರಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಂದ್ರಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್. So first f is 1. So we check it. So what is their natural number? Natural number, we know the natural number, how to take that. Let me take the simple example 1, 2 belongs to the natural number. So whether they are different or not. If we take the elements, so in which method you are doing, that is very important. If you take the particular elements, then use the contradiction method, which is not through the elements. If you take arbitrary, use the that is the equal image method. 1 is not equal to 2. 1 is not equal to 2. Then we find their images. F of 1 is equal to, what is the function defined? F of x equal to x square. F of x equal to x square. That definition is very good. F of 1, where there is x, we have to put the 1. Then we get its image. Where there is x, if you put 1 square. 1 square is 1. Then f of 2, 2 square. 2 square is 4. 2 square is 4. So if 1 is equal to 4, no. Means f of 1 is not equal to f of 2. F of 1 is not equal to. If f of 1 is not equal to f of 2, therefore f is 1 1 function. 1 1 function. If f is 1 1, it is nothing but the injective function. So second one we move to, that is the surjective. Surjective is nothing but the onto function. So f is onto. F is onto. For onto, what we have to do? We have already said that in a previous we have to convert x in terms of y. So y is equal to x square. X is equal to root y. Root y. So what is the statement we have? For every y belongs to, what is the codomain? Natural number. So in the natural number, which type of numbers we have already known. There exist x is equal to how? Root y. So there exists. Whether root y such type of numbers are there in the natural? No, never. It does not belongs to the natural number such that f of x is equal to y. So for y we have a x which is a pre-image, but that pre-image is not there in the n. It means if that pre-image is not there in n, therefore f is not onto function, not a onto function. What is the indication of this statement? Means for every elements of the codomain, so there exists one element x which is a pre-image, and that element should be there in the domain, then it will become an onto. But that element, now we confirm that element is not there in the domain, so f is not an onto function. So f is not an onto function. ಅದರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಕೋಡೊಮೇನ್ ದಾಗ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಸೊ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನಾಗೈತ್ರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗೈತ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ದಾಗ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗೈತ್ರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಡೊಮೇನ್ ದಾಗ ಇಲ್ರಿ, ಡೊಮೇನ್ ದಾಗ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೈತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ ಇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗಿರುವಂತ ನಂಬರ್ಗಳು ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 2 is a natural number. Then so if you take root 2, so x is equal to root 2 will get. So the image of y, pre-image of y is root 2, but root 2 is not there in the natural number, so it is not called as an onto function. ಆ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೆ f ಏನಾಗುದಿಲ್ಲ onto function ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ. That is the reason for this. So here we got that is f is 1 and but not onto. So therefore hence we can say that hence f is 1 but not onto. So here the function is defined from where to where? Real numbers to real number, and f of x is given as a x square. F of x is given as a x square. So let me discuss. So injective and subjective. Injective means what? 1. Subjective means what? Onto function. That we have to discuss. So let me come to the first one, that is a 1 function. First ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ? f 1 ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. f is 1. So f 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. We have to show that for a different element different. So we know the real number. Like we take the real number. For example, 1, 2 belongs to the real number or not? So how they are? They are different. Or so whenever we have a real number, so the most important that we have to in the real number, so we have both positive and negative numbers. In the integer also we have both positive and negative real number. So whenever we are discussing a function from real numbers to real or integers to integer, and it is defined as a perfect square. So it is defined as f of x is equal to x square. At that time, so we have to consider that. So how to consider the elements to show that it is a 1 or not. So for that, so the better to take the same number with a opposite sign. So minus 1 belongs to the real number, and they are different. Let me find out their images. F of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 square. Minus 1 square is 1. Next, f of 2, 1 is equal to 1 square, that is equal to 1. F of both are equal, different element we have, but we got the same image. So then what we can say, it is not a 1 function. F of 1 is equal to 1. So for a different element, what we have to get different image, but here we got the same image. Therefore, F is not a 1 function. F is not a 1 function. F is not a 1 function. Next we move to that is the F is onto. F is onto function. Onto function. F is a onto function. So for the finding the onto function, we have to convert x in terms of y. So here we indicate that y is equal to x square element. So x equal to root y. So then what the statement we have to write? For every y belongs to, that is R, there exists x is equal to root y, it is not belongs to R, such that f of x equal to y. So here we have a one pre-image that for an element y which is belongs to the codomain. So that pre-image is not there in the domain, it means. So why it is not there in the domain means, for example, if you take -2, so root -2 here, root -2, it is a complex number. So complex number is not there in the real number. So it is not called as an onto function. For that, so that is a root -2 is not there in the, that is in the domain. So it is called as not an onto function. Therefore, f is not onto function, not a onto function, not onto function. So here for this y, so we have a x, so which is a pre-image, and that pre-image is not there in the domain. So why? Because if we simply take a -2, root -2 is not there in R, so it is called as a not onto function. So for that -2 we does not have a pre-image. If for one element we does not have a pre-image, then it is not called as an onto function. For every we are stating, for every ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದರ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾನೆ ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ we clear that f is both, it is both not 1 and onto. Yeah, hence f is not 1 and onto.